Hello guys, welcome to the video. So today I got a brand new figure. This time I got Kong Fighter Jet, and you probably know last time I got Kong Fighter Jet, but you probably know guys, Godzilla has not arrived yet because he still needs to come. But yeah, he doesn't until the 29th of April. Sorry guys, cheers, so squeaky. So I'm still need to collect. Definitely need to search for those guys. I already got that one. Still need to wait for him. He still needs to come out. He still needs to come out. And let's get him out of the box. There he is, guys. There he is. Out of the box. You probably know, you can see behind. This one. That's the same one as that one. You can just you have the battle axe. This one. Just for to show you. And this is what he looks like with the battle damage. The box is in the way. Oh yes, you probably know what the difference is. He's lighter and he's darker. Let's get some of these battle damage on.
Oh, is it got a camera on it?
Yeah.
You can. You
And
want
it's
to
got a
see.
timer. Show Grandpa the photos you took.
There's the fucking. It's
You
Fighter
want to
Jet.
see the bunches of food you give us?
Look,
Hey.
some
Oh,
things you can hold
Roses. You see that?
before we end the video.
Full.
Kong Fighter Jet. Let's get rid of things I have in the other comments. The problem, the battle axe doesn't hit on this one. Well, I'll let the battle axe hold the jet. Fix his head. And yes guys, we're going to be filming more Bat next to show you. Hope you guys enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.